Wait, your brain can trigger a sneeze before you even realize it's coming. But what happens inside your body in those few seconds?
That tiny irritant activates sensory nerves, sending a rapid signal into the brain. Almost immediately, the brain sends coordinated commands back to your breathing muscles.
Now your body prepares the blast. You rapidly draw in air, your respiratory muscles contract, and pressure builds inside your chest and airways. Then, boom! The reflex releases the pressure, blasting air and particles outward. One tiny speck just triggered your entire brain-to-body system.